Glamping market size as of 2022 was 2 billion, and by 2032 it's going to grow up to 4.3 billion. That's the kind of insight that I used for building this resort called Leanpitch, which is for glampers. Agility is not following a specific process. It's about evolving products and services based on market needs and trends. And following a specific process like Scrum does not guarantee agility, and we could be very much agile using our own process. That's what I believe in. And being a product guy and building 15 plus products in last 23 years, I have learned it by doing it. And that's what I believe in when I teach others about product management and Scrum. So if you join me in my product management or Scrum classes, you will learn by doing it. My approach is to allow learners to pick a product idea and apply the concepts that I teach on that product idea and observe and provide feedback. And I also believe learning does not stop in a classroom. It actually grows beyond that. And what you get out of classroom is knowledge. And knowledge becomes skill when it is practiced. So you can actually work with us on social projects to turn the knowledge that you gained in our workshop into a skill. That's our approach.